time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host, Ben. Now let's dive in. Bitcoin breaking those all-time highs. Not surprised to see it have a pullback. I do want to see it hold 65,000 as support if it's going to continue to rip. But for now, just pulling back to 62,000. 10 days right there at 61, and then across the tops of these candles, 62. So as long as it holds this 10-day, I think we'll see another retest and re-break of 65,000. If it doesn't, then it could come back down to 52,000 at the 50-day. So some people on Binance today had a little shock when they woke up with Bitcoin and Ethereum, I guess, as well. Orlando, one of our community members, he had Bitcoin at 30,000 and had a stop loss after it went up at 33,000. Somehow Bitcoin dipped to 8,000 in 1 second on Binance and then shot back up to 50,000. So anybody who had a stop loss got hit, and that's pretty messed up because it didn't do that anywhere else. So screw Binance. Hey, no problem, Ruben. We'll get it going here in a little bit. So that's why I do not promote Binance. I do not like them. Ethereum got all the way up to 43. I don't think, did it break a new high or not? See, it got real close. I don't think it did. No, it didn't. It didn't hit a new high yet. So it has broken out of the triangle. Very bullish right here. 10 days crossed over the 50. We're pointing upwards. So I'd say we'll break for a new high here soon. But kind of a slow day in the cryptos. After all the excitement yesterday, they slowed down a little bit, but that's expected. Let's see, top gainers, GRT. Just been watching. This is the graph. Actually, I'm swinging this on Voyager. I got in at 80 cents 2 days ago. Maybe 75 cents. Something like right there, right here where the 10-day started crossing the 50. So I'm looking for that to re-break $1. Possibly, maybe win the trade. I don't know if we're going to be able to find anything to trade or not today because things are kind of looking slow. But could start heating up any moment. Yeah, look at that beautiful triangle. Up to 95 cents. Looks like GRT is going to try to break 95 cents here soon. Solana looking really good. Broke that triangle. Pushing on up. Got close to 200. I expect it to hit 200 in the next couple of days. CGLD, this one I've been swinging. It's trying to break 7. Hasn't quite broke it yet, but did give it a little test yesterday and hanging right below it right now. So we got a lot of coins that I'm seeing that are very close to breakouts. As long as Bitcoin doesn't dump off, we should see them start to move. ADA just still not able to get going and break this downtrend. It's concerning. ADA needs to get going. Let's see what else we got going on. Dogecoin still stuck under a quarter. Polkadot consolidating up over 42. Got to break that 45. We may see it try to test as another one of those ones that's very close to breaking up for new highs. just still consolidating upwards towards that moment. So if Polkadot doesn't, though, like I've been saying, it's going to come back down to that trend line. But we're very close. If it holds up today, tomorrow, I think tomorrow we may see a little bit warmer day in the cryptos than today. What is it? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. It's the weekend. What happens every weekend just about? We usually get some type of pop in cryptos. So this weekend could be the opposite, but I doubt it. It's they had a glitch that dropped Bitcoin due to a bug in their algo. Boy, yikes. Hopefully they figure that out. Kind of looks bad on Atom though. Well, I don't know how. Nah. I mean, even though Binance was made from the Cosmos Hub, Starport or whatever their blockchain builder is, I don't think it's going to affect it. It obviously isn't affecting Atom that much. It's basically just still hanging out at 35, looking for the next move up. Avalanche starting to break its triangle, so this is definitely one to be keeping an eye on, as it could start running here soon. But yeah, I saw DWAC, man. This nasty run. So I was saying this morning, I was saying that stock could get sketchy, or it could get wild. There was a lot of shenanigans built up, but we'll talk about that on the last strip with HH here in a little bit. See, LPT having a pullback to 25. If it can hold 25, that could be a decent play. Luna's looking pretty good. I'm going to use this for the new trend line. You can see this perfect trend line on Luna, just straight up. Go ahead and remove that too. We don't need that anymore, really. So as long as the Luna's on this trend line, it'll just keep pushing up and up. It does have a tough area at 48 and 50 to get through, but if they're minting UST, then Luna keep getting the supply burned. So Polygon Matic did have a nice pop a little while ago last week. Tried to get going here today. It is still holding the 10-day. If it can hold $1.50 today, we could see Matic finally start going again. It's been a disappointment to me. I thought this was going to really get going again like it did back here, but we'll see. This is Trading View. It's not Weeble. See, UMA having a pullback, still unable to break that 15. When UMA can break 15, that's the magic spot. Voyager token still in this triangle consolidating. I'm not mad about that. Persistence is still pretty cheap. Got some Cosmos in a different wallet I unstaked, and I gotta wait to pull that money because I'm gonna put it in Persistence. If Persistence is still this cheap when I can switch that that Atom to a new wallet, or not a new wallet, but my normal wallet. Other than that, I don't see really too much else to cover. A lot of it's still hype from yesterday. A few buyers hanging in, just having that slowdown pretty much because of how hot the market was yesterday. Look at our Solana. Solana's really looking pretty decent here. Got a little resistance at 190, but the main resistance is 200. So 190 to 200 is going to be big. When Solana, if Solana can break 200, then there's no telling how much higher it could run. Pretty strong blockchain project. Actually, there's the whole uptrend right there. That's gone, so let's get that out of there. Yeah, just confirmed this trend line. 2 bounces off of it. Looking good. StormX doing its thing. Just staying in that 3.5 cent area. Getting a few pops here and there. Alright, let's see if we can find something to trade. What's VeChain's ticker symbol? VET, that's right. Oh, VeChain is not on Coinbase. I thought VeChain was on there. Okay, so I can't trade VeChain. Avalanche could be a possibility. Solana would have to really move. Sheep still got some volume. I could look for a possible trade on Sheeb. Come on, symbols. Yeah, Sheeb is still in this big consolidation triangle. Actually, it's not a bad area for it. 2722. Hold on just a second. Alright, give me just a minute, guys. I will be right back. Gotta take a phone call I just got. It's going to be a little bit longer than I thought. All right, let's find a trade. Charlie crypto scammer. What are you talking about? Let's see here. DGB. CGLD getting close to trying to break 7. May have to trade CGLD. Yeah, I kind of like this. I like the way CGLD is looking. May have to sell it on my Voyager at the same time as I'm trading it here if it keeps going up. Looking for that break of 7. Let's see. This is a day chart. Let me look at this on the 15-minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, looking real nice on the 15-minute. Yes, I'm gonna see if I can catch an entry on this. It's not gonna be as fast until volume starts coming in. But I'm not seeing much else. I want a little pullback though. I'm not gonna buy right here. A little pullback maybe to 685 before it tries to break. Let's see if FET almost back down to the trend line. See ONT close to $1, but that's, see, 94 up to 98. Sushi. BTS RT. This had a big sell-off. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna watch CGLD here. You put chemicals in your hot tub. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, I know. I said 4. I thought it was gonna be earlier. That's what I'm saying. I'm still working out the schedule. I'm trying to get it to where it's gonna be around that time. As soon as I have it done, as soon as I have it, well, let's see. See it, CGL. Did you freeze up Coinbase? As soon as I have about another week or two, I'll have my schedule right, where everything will be perfectly scheduled, and you guys won't have to guess when I'm going live. Hopefully sooner, but worst case, a week or two. Yeah, we're looking really good on CGLD on the hour chart. Always. Always. Yeah, Mana could, but it's not going to be a super fast rip. Let me see where Mana's at right now. Yeah, see, the volume on Mana is very light intraday. It's not a one. It's not a good one in a day trade. I mean, right there was a good rip. 15 on the 15-minute chart, 77 up to 86. But and it wasn't really. You don't really have any way to tell that it's going to run that much on that rip. It could be, you know, a good decent hold for a little while. Let's see, Mask, what are you doing? This came up. Where'd you go? I'm really looking for ones that are quick, ones that are already moving quick with a nice range, so it's and get some decent scalps. But I don't know. I am saying it, like I was saying earlier, with all the hype kind of quieted down today after the big run yesterday on Bitcoin. It's quiet. It's a quiet market at the moment. Because the top gainer right now is GRT at 9%. So that's, by this time of day, it's we usually have a 30% or 20%, something like that. We just don't have anything like that yet. Now, REN. Possible. Let's see. This is the 15. Yeah. Alright, yeah, see this is a decent range. You got multiple rips on the 5-minute, $1.08 there up to $1.13, so about 7 cents. You can, if you get, you know, 1,000 of these or 500 of them, a 5 or 6 cent rip is enough to make some profit on. Got some strong resistance at 115. So let me write this down so I don't forget what symbols I'm looking at the moment. REN. And then CGLD, we know about that. I could probably not write that down, but I'm going to anyway. So that's a possible play. That Quantum had one of those nasty little tail drops there, all the way to 1040. That's kind of gross. Daniel B, what are you talking about? You trade the same looking charts every morning in the stock market, man. How do you not? I mean, this is a weird candle here, but this does not happen very often. And this was on Binance, so that was the same time everybody else got stopped out. This is a Binance chart. I guarantee it doesn't look like that on any other chart. Iris doing beautiful. Nice little climb up. Let's see if I don't know if DGB is on. No, it's not on Coinbase. What's that Badger coin doing? Double bottom here on this Badger coin. No volume really, but that is interesting. Let me add this to the charts here. I mean, it's just pretty much sold off since it hit Coinbase Pro. And that's a pretty big sell-off from where it opened, 33 down to 25. Yeah, 25 was support a couple of times. I may look to swing that one. I got double bottom there. Now this was a big drop though. This was what, a $3 drop, almost $2 drop. So if this thing, I could get 31 of them. Definitely want to keep on watch, I think. And let me go check and see if there's any new coins that's been added that I'm not aware of. Because they be adding coins left and right. Perp. That looks like a new one. Perp, yep, that was not on my list. Perp USD. Let's pull up CoinGecko. And let's check out these two, see what their supplies are. 150 million total supply, only 55 million in circulating supply, so Perp is very interesting. And then Badger. Only 10 million in supply on this one, so both of these very low supply. Let's give them the green sticker for low supply. Perp. I just moved 10 cents. Look at this minute chart. Still not enough volume on it. Let me look at the daily. So this just hit. Oh, actually, this looks like this just hit today or yesterday. So this coin just got on Coinbase yesterday. And it sold off pretty hard. You have a possible uptrend starting to form here. Okay. Looks like PRP may try to break 16. here soon. FX, that's a new one. I don't know what that is. Well, that had a nice run the other day. $1.26 up to $1.55. Oh, I wouldn't know that. That was today. So we gotta add this one to the list. Let's check it out on CoinGecko. Function X. Never heard of this one. Woo. The max supply is 2 billion. What is that? Yeah, 2 billion. Total the circulating supply right now is 400 million. Fully decentralized. See the 1 year chart. So the 1 year chart, this thing's been on a nice uptrend. Auction, that's a new one. Now this guy's got some movement. I like what I'm seeing there for day trading. Where'd it just go? Oh yeah. So that came out yesterday, U-shape, and has been, yeah, like this. Been on a nice uptrend. Holding right above 50. Got a while on this 15-minute candle. Yeah, we even got volume on the 1 minute. I'm going, starting to get active here, right above 5, or right above 51 and a half. Where'd I get filled? 51.70. Oh, just. Alright, so it's trying to break that 52 right now. I don't think 52 is going to... No, 52 is not a big deal at all. 53 is going to be some resistance. We'll keep an eye on Sheeb. Let's see, what are we looking like on auction here? What is the... It's got to have a pretty low supply the way it's moving. Oh yeah, only 7 million. There's a max supply of 10 million. This thing is low. Which means this thing can be weird and crazy. Also means big buying volume. This thing could go nuts. We'll keep an eye on sheep too. I know sheep's very close to breaking that consolidation triangle. DWAC is still popping. I don't know what everybody was expecting. I mean, you think Trump's going to debut his media company on the stock market and not have a the biggest and bestest IPO? You know how much trash he's going to talk to all the other companies that IPO'd this year? He's gonna be talking mad trash in the investor world. I IPO'd the first day. My media company went to $50, maybe even more than that. I know it hit 50. If it's still ripping in after hours. Yeah, it's the best IPO ever. It's huge. Got a huge IPO. All the girls like it when I walk into the club with my huge IPO. It's so huge. Yeah, no other IPO has been. It's at 52.50 now. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. I hate I missed it. I really did, and I wanted to sell every single position I had when I was looking at it this morning when I was at 15. But I'm trying to stick to my plan, so I just stuck to my plan and kept the positions I'm in. But it hurt my soul to see it run to $50. It's like I was saying this morning, it was easy money. It was easy money. All I had to do was break that 15 and then it was off. So I don't know which part you're puking about, Lauren, but I think I know which part you're puking about. uh, Listen, I gotta make fun of everybody. I don't just make fun of Biden, and Biden just gives me a lot to work with, but I'll make fun of all sides. Anybody can get it. You can see this thing is trying. Just got some selling pressure in these areas. Oh, let's see. Come on up there. Back over at 52. Which video was it, Lauren? One of them you sent me didn't work. Or if that was the one you sent me. I'm still behind on going through messages right now. There we go. Starting to pop over 52. Yeah, and basically 53 is, well, it's 52.86, but 53, this area through here, that is going to be very strong resistance. So well, never mind. We just went to 53. Yeah, so it's hitting 53 right now. We'll see. God, man, see, this is what I was talking about with this low supply. If it starts getting buying volume, it could go nuts. It literally was the same spot it was. I switched over to TradingView and it was at 53. In that 1 second, it ripped $2. But we need to see it break 53. See all them sellers. Come on, pull them down here. Get them on down there. This would be a nice, perfect U-shaped breakout if it can break 53. Close. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Pull it down there. 53. Almost on deck. Come on. Let's see it. Oh. And there we go. Oh. Woo. Close. Oh, we got a 50-cent spread right now. Good Lord. We got 5 minutes on this candle. If it can break 53. If it can break 53, it's got room to 55, and then it could really get going. You see more selling stacking there. Are we getting increase in buying? We are getting some. Well, we had it. I think we look pretty good though. 10 days pointing up on the 15. We ought to at least get to 55 here. Yeah, 53 right down there on the hole. 53. Going once, going twice. 3 times. And get it out of here. Come on up. Boom, right up to 54, no problem. No issues there. Let's see if we can break 54. Trying to push over it. We need the bids to move up. We got a 70-something cent spread here. See, what am I up right now? I'm up $2 a share, so I'm up like 30 bucks. Yeah, we do have some selling. You know, they're starting to get taken out. If that selling gets taken out, there's nothing up to 55. We'll probably shoot straight to 55. What I say? Look at that. That one little wick wicked up there. There we go. Bids moving up to 54 now. Give us a wick over 55 and I'll lock you out there. Go into the 1 minute. It's a wild spread, almost $1 spread. Going from 15 cents. Yeah, there's a lot of selling at 55. But there's nothing really above it though. we're on the way to it. I mean, there's a little selling through here, but it won't take one more little buy and push. I don't like these wicks. I want to see it give us a nice candle to 55. There we go. Bid just moved up to 54.40, and we should see this start to test 55 here in a second. Come on down, 55. Come on down the pipeline. Let's see what you got. Come on, get on down here. Start show. The way I kind of look at it is when it starts pulling the resistance down closer to like halfway down the sell side, and if the buyers can keep it where this big red bar is like in this half. But see, it's not quite gotten there yet, so that's making me a little concerned. We haven't seen it other than that one quick pop. We're holding up pretty good though. Bids at 54.50, trying to hold a support. Come on, pull it down there. There he goes. 55 starting to come on down. Come on, get down in this bottom half. Oh, 55 is coming down. A little closer. Come on. Let's see you down on the. Let's see you down there at the bottom. Let's see you up to bat. Let's see if these buyers can wipe you out. Come on. A little bit closer. It might be frisky time here. Come on. Let's see that 55 break. Come on, come on, come on. So close. Woo, the volume's starting to come in because this order book is moving fast. Buyers are trying. Oh, they're trying. Here we go. 55. Oof. More sellers are still coming in. We did take out a little bit of 55, but more sellers jumped in there. How we looking? We're looking good if we can break here. If it doesn't break here, though, it's going to have a pullback. Come on. We do not want to see the 55 go back up to the top. We want it to stay down here at the bottom. I'm going to lock it out here. Not able to break. But a $36 profit, I'll take it. Not bad. Now we'll see if it'll come back down even more. It may try to hold this 54, but I ain't trying to hold it down that far. If it cracks 54, then I'd be giving back profit. So I'll just take this little bit of profit. Not too bad. Decent little scalp there. Let me see. That's Red Lobster money for one plate. Copy link address. I'm trying to see why this is. I don't know. I don't think, for some reason, I don't think I can. I don't know what it is, but I can't watch whatever it is you sent me. I guess while I'm on live stream. I don't know. Looks like it may try to go again here. It may try to break. I don't want to buy that resistance. Does look like it wants to break though. Let's check, see if we got anything new hitting the board here on the gainers. Not really. Nothing else really going on. Where's Bitcoin at now? Bitcoin just holding up 62,000. All right. Well, auction definitely interesting. There. Okay. Now it's starting to pull back some. But I don't know. That's really loud. I'm going to jump in real quick to see if it's going to break. It just touched 55. 55 flashed on there. Where'd I get filled at? Oh, God, I got filled right at the top. So if 55 doesn't break quick here in a second, I'm hopping right back out. I'm just looking for a little extra over that 55. It is starting to push. Come on, there you go. There you go. Come on up. A little bit of selling at 56. Boom, come on, let's go. Give me some more profits. Give me some more cookies for the cookie jar. Actually, there ain't much at 56 now. Yeah, boom, breaking up over 56. Got another dollar spread here. You see these bids move up. Oh, there we go. All the way up to 57. Come on, man, let's go. Show me the frisk. Bids moving up to 56. Let's see Let's see if we get another blast up. Oh, yeah. Come on, we're going to break 57. It's really not a lot of selling right through here. No selling at all on 57 if it can just pull on down. Boom. Let's go. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Still ripping here. It's about the size of that other rip, so I'm going to take it. There we go. There we go. So start off at 800 now. I'm at 69. So two nice strips. Two nice scalps there. Then it'd be, I don't care about SPACs that run from $5 to $50 in a day. Nobody cares about that. Yeah, I'm about to probably hop off the stream here too. I got me two little nice wins, two little scalps here, so I'm going to walk away for a little while. So, appreciate everybody joining me as always. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the Framework Fortune Crypto channel. Doing these live crypto updates and trading daily almost. We're making some monies out here in the crypto world. Looks like it may try to break 58. Still got some in it here. All right. So appreciate everybody joining. Did I already say this? I keep like messing this up the last couple of times I've done it. My brain's not working. Anyway, we'll be back tomorrow on the Stock channel, the Framework Fortune Home channel, for some live stream trading in the morning. You guys stay safe out there. Have a great rest of your night. Until next time.